Hello, Namaskara. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Trader Agastya. I hope that everybody doing well. Yet another video of this trading session that is will be analyzing a weekly time frame analysis in the Nifty and the Bank Nifty and the broader market analysis as well to know the trend of the market, and this will definitely will be useful for an positional traders. I hope that it will be useful. Let's get into the market. As of now, we are seeing Nifty in a daily time frame. In the daily time frame, since since this December first week, the market has been showing negative action, and we have been turned the negative view in the Nifty from this second and third week of this December. From there, in the Nifty and the Bank Nifty is been trading in a range, and the negative momentum is been continuing, and our negative calls and the bearish calls is been continuing in the Nifty and the Bank Nifty. So they were coming towards the very crucial support levels in the Nifty. Both Nifty and the Bank Nifty is coming towards the very crucial support levels, and some of the Nifty and the Bank Nifty as well, we have been witnessed they were bouncing back from their 200 EM 200 M 200 a simple moving averages as well. So coming to the Nifty in a weekly time frame, as I told that we will be analyzing in a weekly time frame. So in the weekly time frame, we can see that the Nifty is coming towards the very crucial support level, that is on 17,350 level. So any breakdown below this level, 17,350 level, the negative momentum and the bearish momentum what we have been seeing here will be continuous in the Nifty, and it may going to retesting these levels of 16,800 levels may going to be retesting once it give the breakdown below this level of 17,350 level in the Nifty. So any breakout upside above this trend line, any breakout upside above this falling trend line, we can witness there will be positive momentum can be witnessed in the Bank Nifty once it give the breakout upside above this falling trend line, and or any breakout upside above this horizontal resistance of 18,300. So this is the region, that is an 18,300 to 17,350 level. This is the region is very crucial. As long as it stays in this region, the Nifty will be in the range bound. Any breakout upside above 18,300, then only we can see the positive momentum. Any breakdown below this level of 17,350 level, the negative momentum is going to be continuous in the Nifty. Whereas coming to the Bank Nifty, in the Bank Nifty, we can see that coming to the Bank Nifty, in the Bank Nifty, it is coming towards this very crucial support level, that is on 39,400 level. This will be the very crucial support level in the Bank Nifty. So any breakdown below this level, that is on 39,400, 500 to 400 level, and the 21 DM weekly moving average is also coming towards this level. So it is also merging with this level. So any breakdown below this level, that is on 39,400 levels, then we can see that there will be a negative momentum in the Bank Nifty will be continuous, and where you can short the you can take the short positions in the Bank Nifty or in the Nifty as well. So any breakdown below this level of 39,400 level, the negative momentum in the Bank Nifty will be continuous, whereas on an upside, any breakout upside above this falling trend line. So any breakout upside above this falling trend line, then we can see that the positive momentum can be witnessed in the Bank Nifty, or any breakout upside above this level of 42,000 level. So as long as Bank Nifty stays in between these levels of 42,000 level and 39,400 level, the Bank Nifty will be in the range bound. So any breakout upside above 42,000 level, where you can take the long positions in the Bank Nifty. So any breakdown below these levels of 39,400 level, where you can take the short positions, or else you can stay away from the market. If you have an existing positions, then you can cover then you can sell those positions and stay away from the market until it shows the positive momentum. So it will be depends on an individual stock. So I am not recommending you to suddenly to sell, but it will be definitely depends on your risk appetite as well. So coming to the broader market analysis, where as I told that, coming to the Nifty 500 level. So in the Nifty 500 level, I am looking that this will be the, as I told that, this is the very crucial support level. So that is an 14,630 level, which is closing exactly at this at that level. The Nifty 500 is been exactly closing at this level. So this is the level will be the very crucial. So any breakdown below this level, 14,540 level, the negative momentum will be continuous, as it is uh, given the upside momentum from this level. So 40 upside momentum is been witnessed upside above 14,500, where we have been telling that there will be short term bounce back can be witnessed, and it is towards this levels of this key moving weekly moving average, that is in 30 weekly moving average. It been acted as the resistance, and it given the negative momentum where the doji candle is been also formed, then followed by the momentum bearish candle, which is telling that there isn't likely to be breakdown below this level. So this breakdown will going to be the head and shoulder pattern will going to be breaking down in the Nifty 500. Broader markets will going to be breaking down this head and shoulder pattern, which will be looked at as a very bearish pattern in the markets. This head and shoulder pattern will be looked at as a very bearish pattern. So any breakout upside above this level 15,150 level, this is where the positive momentum for an at least for a short term can be witnessed. Any breakout upside above as well as any breakout upside above this falling trend line. So any breakout upside above horizontal resistance or in this falling trend line resistance, then we can see that there will be shorter term fuse in the trend, that is an uptrend can be witnessed, that is an positive momentum. So we can be witnessed only upside above this level. So it is this head and shoulder pattern is been telling that, and this bearish candle is telling that there is a breakdown maybe coming in the near weeks, coming in the Monday or in the next week or in other next week, maybe coming this breakdown below this level. So 40,500 level will be looked as a bearish zone in the broader markets. Then my all the positions which I am having, if we individual stocks is telling me to sell, then definitely I will going to sell. Then this is where the bearish momentum in the markets will going to be continuous, where any breakdown below this 14,500 level, this is what the very highly bearish pattern is been forming in the broader markets in the Nifty 500 level. So coming to the Nifty mid cap stocks, coming to the Nifty mid cap stocks, in the Nifty mid cap stocks is also been, and they were also bouncing back from this very crucial support level, that is an 8,350 level. So any breakdown below 8,350 level, the negative momentum will be continuous. Then as I told that on the shorting position, then I will going to take some short positions, or else I will be definitely completely stay away from the market if it give the breakdown below 8,350 level. So any breakout upside above this level 8,850 level, then I will looking for the buying opportunity in the Nifty mid cap stocks. So any breakout upside above that region of this 8,860 level, then I will definitely looking for a bullish positions. This is where the trend will going to be started. Positive momentum can be witnessed upside above this black trend line, and upside above this region 8,860 level of this blue resistance level. This is where the momentum for the stocks will going to be started in the mid cap. Whereas coming to the small cap stocks, the small cap 100 will be coming to the small cap stocks. The small cap stocks also we have been telling that it's been bouncing back from this very crucial support level. So any breakdown below this level, 9,000 to 9,100 level, the bearish momentum in the Nifty small cap stocks will going to be continuous, and towards this it may going to retest these levels of 7,970 level may going to be witnessed. So any breakout upside above this blue resistance line, that is the 9,800 level, then we can see that positive momentum. So any breakdown below this region, then the momentum negative momentum will going to be continuous in the Nifty small cap stocks as well. So this is completely to summarize this market analysis of our Indian market. So I can say that this is the zone, or this is the time which is not to time to invest in the market. So if you are a mutual fund buyer, or if you are doing an SIP, then definitely you can buy these dips as an where you can this is the definitely a better opportunity to buy the dips in the mutual funds as well as in the doing the SIP. For an if you aren't interested in doing if you aren't buying in stocks, then definitely I am telling you to stay away from the market until it shows the strength. Definitely I am completely in the cash as of now. I am completely in the cash in the market. So we're going to buy the positions only once the market is turned bullish, and once the market gives the bullish signal. So until that I will be staying away from the markets, and I will going to update once the market is being turned bullish. So as of now, definitely I am completely 100% on my cash, so I will be looking to buy the short positions. And if the market is been short some any, if the individual stocks, any individual stocks which given me the opportunity to take the short positions. Whereas coming to the US market analysis, where it will be useful if we are in, if you are tracking this US market. So the crucial support crucial support level in the US market, that is an 32,500 levels. Any breakdown below this 32,500 level, there will be short term negative momentum can be witnessed in the Dow Jones. And then we can see that it may going to retest these levels of 31,700 levels. Maybe it may going to be retest. As of now it is showing that the positive moment, as of now it is in the positive trend. Whereas coming to in an upside, if we give the breakout upside above this 34,700 level, then definitely we can see that there will be positive momentum. The positive momentum will going to be continuous. As of now it is in the stage 2 uptrend. So any breakout upside above this level 34,600, the stage 2 uptrend will going to be started. Any breakdown below this level, then the bearish and the negativeness will going to be continuous in the Dow Jones. Whereas coming to the S&P 500, this is which is tracking in 500 stocks in the S&P 500, which will be tracking the 500 stocks in the US. Whereas come in, where we can see that it is being taking the support on at this level, this falling trend line, which has been given the breakout upside above this falling trend line. We have been turned bullish in the S&P 500, and it been retesting that level. And with the lower volume, we can see that it been with the lower volume, where the negative momentum is being started. Some selling pressure will been witnessed. That is this selling pressure mainly because of this the weak holders whoever there, they were taking their targets, and they were booking their profits. That's what it is showing, that this selling pressure is being created, and the volume is also coming down, and it is also getting rejected from this trend line. As long as it stays upside above this trend line, black line, then S&P 500 will be stays positive. So any breakout upside above this for 4,200 level, then the momentum will going to be the stage 2 uptrend will going to be continuous in the S&P 500. So if it give the breakdown below this black trend line, then we can then I can say that the negativeness can be witnessed for at least for some time being can be witnessed in the Nasdaq stock. So still it may going to be still it may going to be correction zone in the Nasdaq, in the S&P 500. Whereas coming to the Nasdaq, in the Nasdaq, where I can see this is the black trend line, which is the very crucial resistance level in the Nasdaq as well. So let me delete it all these things. Let me draw any single line. So any breakdown, as long as it stays upside above this black trend line, then this Nasdaq stocks will also be stays positive. So any breakdown below this region, then we can see that this is an shakeout, that is a breakout upside above this region 11,500 and 600. This breakout will going to be look it as a shakeout here in the in the Nasdaq. If it give the breakdown below this falling trend line, if it give the falling trend line, then it will going to be look it as a shakeout. That we have been turned positive from this week of in the from the last week of January. We have been turned in the Nasdaq stocks. We have been turned positive in the Nasdaq stocks, where we told that the base breakout is been happened, and now it is pulling back towards this breakout region. That is that is an this is the very positive thing in the Nasdaq. Any pullback after giving the breakout, pullback can be expected, and it is. I am looking that it is in a positive way, as it is with the lower volume we have been seen in the S&P 500. So I am looking at it as a pullback as an opportunity to buy the dips in the in the US markets, and this pullback is an positive, and it is going and undergoing a short-term correction, which means, as I told, that the weak investors who were there, they were covering those positions, which will be added advantage to buy the added advantage for an institutions to buy from there. If they were weekends is selling, then institutions will going to be buying. That's what we can see that. So if it as long as it sustains upside above this black trend line, then definitely I will be stays positive in the in the US market. So any breakout upside above this region of 12,300, then positive momentum and the stage 2 uptrend will going to be continuous. As of now, the US markets is in a positive trend. So as long as it is stays upside above these black trend lines in the Nasdaq as well as in the S&P 500, then I will be staying positive in the S&P 500. I will be staying positive in the US stock. So any breakout upside above this region, then the momentum is going to be started. So this pullback and this dip, I will be looking at as a buying opportunity in the US markets. This is what my analysis in the US market. So any this dip I am, as I told that, this dip I am looking at as a buying opportunity in the US markets. As of now, they were in a stage to uptrend and they were giving the pullback right now. So I'm looking this as an dip buying opportunity in the US markets. So this is what the broader market analysis and our Indian markets analysis as well. So Indian markets is at a no trading zone, which means for position traders you can stay away from the Indian markets, where they were showing that negative strength. And I am not any looking any stocks right now as of now in our Indian markets, whereas the US markets is showing the positive momentum. So what we can see that is our institutions were and US peoples maybe booking their profits, as the FIS people is been selling here, means the institutions were selling in the Indian markets and they were buying in the US markets. Maybe this is what the inverse correlations is been happening in the Nifty, in the US markets and from the Indian markets. This is what we can see, that from here the where the Indian markets is being raised, where in the US markets they were fell down. So you can take the references on 20th June. 20th June, from here where the US markets is being our Indian markets is being raised, where from the 20th June, from the 20th June from the 20, from this 28th June, they were in the range bound. US markets in the range bound, whereas Indian markets is been rising. So now Indian markets is been selling, whereas the US markets is been buying, which means the FIS people who were selling in the Indian markets, they were buying in the US markets. This is what the inverse correlation is been seeing in the in our Indian markets and the US markets from since the last June, that is since last 8 months. This is what our analysis in the Nifty, in the broader market, about our broader markets analysis, and about US markets. So US markets is been positive, whereas the Indian markets is been negative. So I will be staying away from the Indian markets and will be looking to invest in the US markets. Thank you for watching. We'll come up with another video. Until, take care. Bye. Weekly time frame analysis will be done every week after the Friday's market close. So until, if you are an investor or if you are a positional buyer, then you can wait for in 1 week. Whereas for day traders, I will be doing a daily market analysis, where you can watch out those videos which I will be updating in my YouTube channel. Then you can subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for a notification update. So we'll be come up with another video. Until, take care and bye. Thank you for watching.